right there. In comes the Sanity's Eclipse card, and Angel popped on the other side though, so not a whole lot of damage coming out because of that. Rubik stolen, of course, but the BKB of Blazebond gonna be wearing off. Abaddon sitting on top of him. You see a swap out. Leave used right there. The founding the other tech study on the Afterlife, but there's that borrowed time. Now kicking in background. GNC pops the Magnetize. He's gonna fall because of it. We're gonna get a lot of damage. Troll with himself is locked down by the Slark as that Skull Basher being procced once or twice. And Rubik's on the gonna get a proc right here. Yes, he can. Silencer goes down the side.
Still attacking Slark, it's just not doing any damage.
Yeah, he was like, what's going on?
You and her.
You know, I'm actually thinking about it more, kind of stuck on that thought earlier. He might have been a Archmaker.
Oh, that would make a lot of sense.
Boulder Smash in, Ogre Magic. Look at Skitter, he just doesn't give two shits. He's gonna mention everyone, including the Turtle Roller, who was locked down by the side. The Pops of BKB, they'll go for the turn kill, gets swapped out, and the Shadow Dance popped as well. Now the chase once again on the FD. And FD feeling empty inside as his life goes down right there. Afterlife will pop yet again at borrowed time, but just delaying the inevitable. And this feels like it could be the beginning of an end here. In favor of going in. Talk about it.
Is she on site?
Right there, coming up for just guessing her Slark going up, but anyways, jumping for Troll Roller, puts the silent background on Omnat. They're trying to lock him down, but again, it's not going to happen. Guardian Angel goes off right there. Not even really necessary. Rubik, he gets taken out. Troll Roller is dead. GG's being called. Going in to take the first and only game of